Cutlets can also be made from chicken meat, and they, unlike beef, are prepared in a completely different way. You will need the following ingredients: 500 grams chicken fillet, 200 grams loaf, salt to taste, a pinch of ground black pepper. In a meat grinder with large holes, it is necessary to roll chicken meat, cut into small pieces. Then grind loaf, add to the skipped fillet, salt, pepper, mix the whole mass thoroughly. In this meat, as well as in beef, you cannot put any flour or eggs. The first ingredient will make the cutlet too rubbery and hard to chew, and the second, too slippery, which will complicate the creation of the desired shape. Next, you need to take a little of the resulting mass, form a flat cake with a diameter of 13 to 15 centimeters. Thus, make patties from all the stuffing. Put on a frying pan heated with vegetable oil and fry for 5 minutes. Exactly through this time the chops need to be turned over to the other side. In total, they should roast for 15 to 20 minutes. Willingness pricks checked with a toothpick. If, after the meat is pierced, it does not emit juice, it means that it can already be shifted to a cooked plate.